Good day, everyone. Welcome back. Today, I'm going to create a Python program using subject-oriented approach. Our activity proper. We are going to write a class called investment with fields called principal and interest. The constructor or me should set the values of those fields. There should be a method called value underscore after that returns the value of the investment after number of years. The formula for this is P times 1 plus I raised to the power of n, where P is the principal and I is the interest rate. It should also use the special method, which is the double underscore stir and double underscore so that the printing object will result in something like below this or it prints out horizontally. So, we're going to start. We have class, our investment. So we're going to define double underscore init or initialize double underscore self, principal, and interest rate. So we have self dot principal is equals to principal. Self dot interest rate underscore interest underscore rate or the interest rate. So we are going to define the value or return the value after a given number of years. So we have n is equals to integer or the number of years we are going to put, and then we're going to return self dot principal times 1 plus the interest rate raised to the power of n or the number of years. So we're going to define, so we're going to print out this principal and interest rate horizontally using this special method, the double underscore str, stir or and then double underscore self. So we are going to return principal, the interest rate, and the format self dot principal and self dot interest rate. So we have n underscore 1 is equals to the integer input. We are going to enter the total amount of principal. And then n underscore 2 we are going to float because interest rate includes decimals. So we are going to use float. And then the investment is equals to investment n underscore 1 and n underscore 2. So we're going to print the investment. Then investment underscore integer is equals to investment dot value after. So we're going to print the total value of the of money after a given number of years is okay. So we are going to run the code. Let's write for the code to console. So we have here, we are going to enter the total amount of principal. So we are going to enter 1000 and then we are going the interest rate is 5.12. Then we have here our principal which is $1,000 and interest rate is 5.12%. So we are going to input how many number of years. So let's say 5 years. So after 5 years, our total money is total value of money after given number of years, which is 5 years, is 8,585,332.3256832. So again, for our problem number 3, we are going to write a program that asks the user to enter a word and prints out whether that word contains any vowels. So we are going to print or enter the character, then a car or the car, then is equals to input, and then the close parenthesis. If the character is equals to A or E or I or O or U, we're going to, it will print out the character is a vowel. Or let's just say if a character is the capital letter A or E or I O U, A E O U, the character is also a vowel. Or else, if none of this is being putted or being input, the character is consonant. So let's run the code. Say the enter the character which is say the character is a vowel. So let's try again. Let's say let's put B. The character is a consonant. That would be all. Thank you.